Art. Please relax, we're gonna get there, okay? There you go. You don't have to worry with me. Okay? I'm so sorry about that. Okay? Look, a little bit of off-roading. Maybe you like this? It's gonna be a long drive, okay? I need to get some gas and some food for you guys, okay? Oh, what happened now? I'm so sorry. Come on. Come on, I just got you fixed. Come on. Please, baby, please start. Come on, one more time. Come on. Please don't break down on me. Come on. And that's how you do it, guys, okay? Oh my god, the brakes don't work either. Great. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's wrong, okay? The brakes don't work. I'm so sorry about that. We have to go this way. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's wrong with this car, okay? Great. Now what? Great. It's always messing up. I knew it wouldn't be great for a road trip. And I need to find a gas station soon. Something to do with the handbrake, okay? Don't know what's going on. so sorry. It just locks in place sometimes. I'm so sorry. Oh, come on, please, no. Please, come on. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. I can't believe this. I think my brakes are out. They're making a funny noise. Sorry about that. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh no, please. Not the engine. Oh, come on, please. Don't break. Don't break on me. Don't break. I think we ran out of gas. Come on now, please. Oh, come on. You stupid car.